Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify landlord deductions with TurboTax for rental property step by step clearly. To verify landlord deductions with TurboTax for your rental property, start by opening your TurboTax software or app. Select the option for personal income from the main dashboard. Proceed to find the section labeled rental properties and royalties. If you haven't already entered your rental property information, click on Add Rental Property or select an input the necessary details about your rental property, including the address and type of rental. After entering the property details, look for the section titled Expenses. Here, you will see various categories for potential deductions. These categories typically include repairs, maintenance, mortgage interest, and property management fees. Select the category for each expense you want to verify. For example, if you're entering repairs, click on the relevant section and input the amount spent. TurboTax may ask for supporting documentation, so have receipts or invoices ready. Continue through each category, entering all applicable expenses related to the rental property. After entering all expenses, TurboTax will calculate your total deductions for that property. Next, review the deductions displayed to ensure accuracy. If any entries seem incorrect, return to the respective sections and make adjustments. TurboTax offers detailed explanations for each deduction, which can help clarify any uncertainties. Once satisfied, proceed to the tax summary section to see how these deductions impact your overall tax situation. Make sure to save your progress regularly to avoid losing any entered data. Finally, complete the filing process by submitting your return through TurboTax, ensuring all deductions are accurately reflected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.